You don't notice right away. The tension builds slowly. A stiff lower back in the morning, tight hips after sitting too long, the ache you just brush off. But here's the truth. Lower back and hip tension is one of the earliest warning signs of physical decline. And if you keep ignoring it, it doesn't go away. It gets worse. The good news? There are 5 simple, low-impact movements that can release years of built-up tension, protect your spine, and keep you mobile for the long haul. This is your lower back and tension release flow, and it could be the reason you're still moving pain-free a decade from now. Let's begin. This stretch targets the piriformis, a tiny muscle deep in your glutes that can cause serious sciatic pain when it's tight. When you lie on your back and cross your ankle over your knee, you create a powerful release for your hips and lower back. The goal isn't just flexibility, it's relief. Ignore this now and you might be walking with discomfort you never signed up for in 10 years. Now we even things out. Tension doesn't just build on one side. It creeps in symmetrically, affecting your posture, gait, and movement. This stretch improves hip symmetry, which is critical for everything from walking without pain to squatting with power. Small adjustments now equal big freedom later. This simple movement brings mobility and compression into the hip socket, gently opening the glute and lower back region. It's not flashy, but that's the point. It's functional, grounded. The kind of movement that keeps you walking tall when others are slowing down. Same movement, opposite side. This isn't just about the muscle. It's about the connection between your hip, spine, and core. As you pull the knee in and breathe, you're restoring a range of motion that prevents back pain, hip tightness, and energy drain. The kind of movement that pays dividends now and for decades. Now we bring it all together. Lying hip circles reintroduce gentle rotation and fluidity into your hips, the most underappreciated joint in your entire body. This movement unlocks mobility, improves circulation, and releases fascia around the lower back and glutes. Done consistently, This 1-minute move can reverse years of tightness, pain, and limitation. Most people wait until the pain is unbearable, until walking hurts, sleeping hurts, even sitting hurts. But you don't have to wait. These 5 movements may look small, but they create space, ease, and power where your body needs it the most. Your lower back and hips are your foundation. Without them, everything suffers. So the question is, will you protect that foundation now or live with the regret of ignoring it later? You already know the answer. So start today. Your future self will thank you.